Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your Love Bite. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Cancer, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, the Tower is here. Somebody is making a choice. Oh my God, I love this reading already. I have a big cup of love center of my spread. Cancer. Okay. All right. Oh God, Cancer, beautiful. Wheel of Fortune is the overall energy of my reading. And guess what? I have the King of Cups and the Queen of Cups. All right, so let's see. And an Ace of Cups here as well. My only little hitch here is I don't think you guys have told each other, or there is some kind of a fogginess going on around, expressing your love. So let's see what's going on. But there is somebody who does want to take action now. Maybe they've been blocked off, or they've been guarding or kept some blockages going on. But now there's going to be an eruption. There's epiphany happening, some changes happening where somebody is going to now make a decision about who, what they love. I think this person has retreated, taken some time out, and cut through the fog, I think, and they're recognizing that you guys make a beautiful pair. King of Cups to the Queen of Cups. Beautiful. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, Cancer, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start clarifying these cards, okay? All right, so Cancer and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Let's take some more from here. And if any of you looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Cancer and their person spirit. Cancer and their person. Okay, and I'm going to take one or two from here. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person spirit. Thank you. All right, good to go. Let's start your reading, Cancer. The first card here says, not talking to you absolutely breaks my heart and soul into a billion shattered pieces. I want to reach out to you, but I can't find the right words as I'm feeling so fragile right now. I'm silent due to going through the dark night of the soul. I feel like an emotional roller coaster and don't have the strength to communicate with you right now. Like I said, somebody has had this big shake-up, and I think this person needs a little bit of time to reflect on what they are feeling at the moment. This could be a very, very emotional time when they're recognizing this life-changing moment for them. Maybe this love has, is staring at them in the face now. I just want to see you and begin our life together, but these financial challenges are currently stopping us from being together. Who would have thought that something as simple as money could keep people who love each other this much apart? I want to protect you, steal your smiles, stop your tears, and wake up to kiss you every morning. I want to show you that you're the best thing that's happened to me. You can't imagine how much I love you. You are the person that anyone could ever desire. I know that I can count on you, and I will show you that you can count on me too. You're holding us back because of your own self-worth issues and your inability to forgive yourself. I've forgiven you. Would you just forgive yourself already? And let's just start our life together, or live our life together free from the past. No one is perfect. You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. Like I said, somebody was lying to themselves or their partner. You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same, as I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you. I hate it when I communicate with you and you could keep the conversation going, but you shut it down. Can't you tell that I'm trying to get you to coerce it out of me? I want to tell you what's going on with me, but I just can't come out and say it, damn it. Okay. It's the little things that you do that make you so special. Let's talk and clear the air. All right, Cancer, these messages are resonating with your storyline. Let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card for you. Let's see what my angels have to say. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, yes, safe travel. Don't worry, whatever journey you guys are on, Cancer, the angels have you protected. Yes, it could seem a bit scary, but don't worry about it. The angels have you on their back. They won't let anything go wrong. It will be a very smooth transition. The one that you fear, maybe feeling not good enough, or maybe the person doesn't love you, whatever. Be brave and keep moving forward because you have protection around you. All right, so let's start your reading. King of Wands, Spirit. King of Wands with the Seven of Wands. King of Wands with the Seven of Wands. I think this King of Wands, I think at one time may have turned their back because they were either blocking this connection, even though they knew that this was their soul partner, that was their Queen of Cups. I think this person, may have left this Queen of Pentacles out in the cold and done something here which to jeopardize this connection, maybe put blockages up or something. They were busy maybe pursuing their business or work or traveling or their own passions elsewhere. They could have created some blockages. And what is this, Spirit? The Seven of Wands? Seven of Wands. Yeah, I think they were stressed about commitment. They felt it. They knew they loved this Queen of Cups. They knew this had a potential of going the long haul. But when they thought of this Four of Wands, they, I think, got afraid. They got afraid to commit or settle down. This gave them too much stress, too much tension, that I'll be tied down now and, I won't be able to pursue my own stuff and my own travel or work. Maybe there were money problems, they were trying to build an empire or something. So I think this King of Wands, I think, put some kind of a blockage in this connection. So what's this Tower then, Spirit? What's this Tower? What's this change? Oops. What's this Tower? Tower. This King of Wands is realizing something. I'm sorry I was silent for so long. Yes, this King of Wands is now realizing that they've chosen a wrong direction. They are now pondering over all the investment made, and maybe they were investing too much into the wrong things. They may have ignored their partner, right? They could have been too immature, or maybe they said also a few things which were not that great. In their frustration or anger, they could have said something, but at that point I don't think they were in their grounded energy. They were maybe having lack of funds or money problems or something this person could be chasing or pursuing at that time. But now the shock in their life is that nothing really kind of measured up. They in fact felt lonely and sad and depressed, losing with whatever this choice that they made. It wasn't the right choice for them, and now it's like an epiphany in their head to say, oh my God, what did I do? I made the wrong choice. Now they want to kind of, I think, make a choice here again. This is again a card of decision. They don't want to be pulled in two different directions anymore. They want to make a decision towards love. Two of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. Two of Swords in reverse. Yes, they want to come and want to come and heal this broken heart. Whatever had stopped, stagnated in the past, they want to heal that. They want to come forth, to say, hey, can we begin again? Let's, I want to offer you a stable, brand new start. Let's start from the beginning. They want to make this choice to have a stable, brand new beginning, to heal this broken heart, because they've recognized the love of their life. I think they always did, but their mind was clouded in the past, maybe with other distractions. Ace of Cups, and the Four of Swords. Ace of Cups and the Four of Swords. Ace of Cups and the Four of Swords. They want to message big time. Please expect a message. Either you'll be sending a message, Cancer, or you'll be receiving one from your partner. There is going to be lots of communication about this, which is going to heal you, maybe get you out of the sleepless nights and these nightmares and tension and wondering what's happening, why it's not happening. They want to be out of this stress. They want you to be out of that stress. This communication is coming in really quick, and this is going to be about love. Their cup runneth over. I think they've taken some time out to rest and reflect on what really matters to them. So what's this Four of Swords, Spirit? Four of Swords. Four of Swords. Four of Swords. Oops. This person, whoever this person is they've taken some time out to rest, and they've realized that if they don't have equal give and take, if they don't make that choice, that decision to have equal reciprocity, they are going to lose a soulmate. They're going to lose the best thing in their life, a God-given partnership. So this is a decision being made. Yes, I do want to have an equal give and take. I don't want to lose my partner. Why is the Ace of Swords in reverse, Spirit? Ace of Swords. They were lying. Yes, they were lying, I think, even to themselves that, oh, I don't need this, I don't want this. They were trying to block it, but now they want to come out of this stuck place. Somebody was lying about how they truly felt here, Cancer. Maybe that's why they were trying to block off this connection. They were just being in protective mode here, but now this person doesn't want to feel stuck anymore. They want to come out of this stuck place. I think somebody feels a lot of love in their heart. King of Cups and the Queen of Cups. So, King of Cups, do you want to say something to us? King of Cups, Mike is with you. You want to say something to us here? Oh, King of Cups says, I lost my strength when I lost my partner. I wasn't happy. I realized none of my dreams would ever come true. I want to come forward and offer a brand new beginning. I want to have a stable, brand new beginning with my partner. Nothing else makes me happy. Nothing else gives me strength. My strength was my partner. My wish fulfillment is only with them. Without that, I'm depressed and unhappy. And Queen of Cups, you want to say something now? Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is a bit upset at the moment. Yes, Queen of Cups is a bit upset. They kind of feel not sure whether a second chance is possible because of all the secrets that were kept in this connection. They feel that person was keeping too many secrets. They feel quite betrayed and feel quite down and out. They feel this commitment is the only thing I wanted from my partner, which my partner never gave me, and they kept secrets from me, and I am feeling pretty beaten down. But there is the Wheel of Fortune after that. So what's that, Spirit? Will things change? Will things change, Spirit, with the Wheel of Fortune? Wheel of Fortune, Wheel of Fortune, if somebody walked away from this connection, they're going to return. They're going to return. I think somebody is going to return. They're going to open up about all their immature behavior, maybe all the lies that was told in this connection, about whatever made you guys unhappy. There is somebody coming back in Emperor mode. They do want to talk. They do want to rectify things. Emperor, one more card, Spirit, for the Emperor. Emperor. Yes, the Emperor is saying, I made some very unwise and foolish mistakes, and by not offering this new beginning or new start or something, I'm coming back now cleansed. I have released all this toxic behavior from my life. I don't want to bring any toxicity into this connection, and now I want to do the right thing. They want to bring back balance, justice. They want to make things right and take control of this connection. So I hope they do. I mean, time is fluid. Depends on when this person gathers up their energy. But this match is good. There's a King of Cups and a Queen of Cups. So it's an equal match and they're both upright. That's all I can say. Till next time then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.